I have often dreamed of a far-off place where our heroes welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when I see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be stoned, I know every mile will be where I am. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road, you might embrace my fate. To the Lord, my wonder is will be to you, and 1,000 years will be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow is it true, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, I'll then stay on track. No one is a different, it's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope. Till I go, just this and my journey is below complete. Oh, yeah, but the look is beyond the glory is the heart is part for my heroes say it's measured by design. Like a shooting star, I will go the distance, I will search the world, I will face its arms, I don't care how far. When I can go the distance, till my find my heroes welcome waiting for me. I will search the world, I will face its arms, till I find my heroes welcome.